Hello everyone, today I am going to show you how you can extract or create zip file on your Windows PC. If you need to extract from a zip file and you don't know how to do it, you can watch my video and then you can learn. Okay, let me open a folder first. This is the folder. I am making another folder on it, and then I create a new text document, and then I write something like with the best wishes. I want to create a zip file. For this one I need to click right button on this and then add to archive, and now you can see add to zip. You need to click on this. Let me click, and here it want to show you if you need RAR or zip. I am giving this zip, and now I have to click on OK. It created the zip folder. I need to change its preference, like always open this. OK, and it's opened. Now here is the zip file ready. If you want to unzip it or extract it, you need to right click on this, and then if you want to extract files, it will extract. If you want to extract here, it will extract here. If you want to extract to new document, then it will create a new document folder first, and then there will be extracted file. Let me show you how to extract to new text document. Click on it, and then a new text folder, a folder created, and then there is the file. This is the file. So it's too easy. All you need a zip or RAR opener. Like I'm using right now WinRAR.com. I downloaded this from WinRAR.com. You can too. I hope this video will help you. Thank you for watching my video.